Hey, what's up, good people? The Dow put on 658 points today. We're going to discuss briefly why that happened. But before, for those of you that are new to the page, as you can see, I'm not in my studio. So go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. I'm out here in the ATL for the Gospel Music Awards, the Stella Awards, okay? Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. And make sure you don't fall for spam in the comment section. Never send money or crypto to anyone. I don't have a WhatsApp. Neither do I invest money for anyone. All right, good people. Also, too, make sure, even if you're seeing this, that you are currently subscribed. Hey, let's take a look at the computer here and see exactly why the Dow rallied today. The Commerce Department this morning said retail rose about 1% month over month in June, while most of the increase was a result of high gas and food prices. Wall Street was still pleased that the figure marked an improvement over May's modest decline and came in above economics consensus estimate for an increase of 0.9%, right? So it rose 1% month over month, okay? As opposed to an increase of 0.9%, right? But let's look at here. Spending was broad-based and not just boosted by more money spent on gasoline, says Jeffrey Roach, chief economic, guru dude. Here we go. Let's go here. Given this report, the U.S. might actually post positive growth figures for Q2 and avoid 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth, Roach adds. Okay, so what does that mean? Mr. Roach is saying that we could avoid technically being in a recession. So remember, we were talking about GDP numbers coming out on the 28th. Mr. Roach is suggesting that because of these new numbers today, that GDP could be actually rising because we are still spending, therefore avoiding us technically being in a recession, right? And so a recession right now in this environment, since the CPI numbers are high and it's remaining high, if the GDP numbers, gross domestic product numbers that are coming out on the 28th of this month, if they report lower, then we have been in a recession technically this entire year. And so this is what this gentleman is saying, Mr. Roach. What a name. I feel for you, bro. I know you were teased as a child. But this is what Mr. Roach is saying, that it could come in high and not low. Well, we have a few days to find out if that is the fact. But here's where I will go out and say maybe. I think that the Fed will not go up 1%. I was right last time. Let's see if I can be right 2 out of 2. I think that the Fed will go only up 75 basis point or less, not 1%, but 75 basis point or less on the FOMC meeting on the 25th and 26th of this month. That's what I think as I look at all of the data that's provided. All right, good people, we're going to keep this one really, really short and just data for you guys to look at this entire weekend. So we had this report that came out, and then the day before we had PPI, which was the video that I put out prior to this. And then the day before that, we had CPI. So it's like all of these data points that are just like, the inflection is just all over the place, all right? But we shall see. What I'm going to do from now until after the FOMC meeting, all right, the 25th and the 26th, I'm just kind of holding off. But then after the 28th, right, when we get the GDP numbers, If they are low, I'm going to buy. And I'll be making videos about that later. I'm going to be buying stock and crypto if gross domestic product goes down. And so we'll be diving into that a little more on next week. All right, good people, make sure you check out my links below. I got Webull. Webull is on fire right now. They just have a great promotion. Deposit $100 and you're going to get a ton of free stock. Just click my link below, look in the description, and you'll see all the promotions that they have going on. And then Moomoo. Moomoo is where we've been just cashing up. We've just been putting our money in the trading app and not the bank. That's Moomoo, same deal. Deposit $100 into both of these, get them funded. And I'm going to be discussing what I'm going to be doing based on these numbers. All right, good people, we're going to leave it right there. I will see you guys back. This is just a short weekend here at the Stellar Awards taping, and we'll see how this goes. All right, love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.